Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of partner field in reconciliation screen in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module adds a dedicated partner field to the reconciliation interface, making it easier to identify and match transactions with the correct customer or vendors, improve accuracy, streamline accounting workflows, and reduce error while ensuring complete financial transparency. So for that, we will go into the accounting module. Under accounting, we will find a menu named reconcile. Click on that and here you can see all reconcile records with the date and journal entry. Now select any one entry and you can see a button for reconcile. Click on that. And here you can see the partner field. You can add your partner field you want to reconcile your record with. Add the account and tax if you want, 15% sale or purchase as you want. Now click on reconcile or reconcile and open. Here you can see I have clicked on reconcile and the record is reconciled. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.